Talofa lava, it's Tofiga here, and because of complex issues with my playing contract here at Oriental Rongotai, unfortunately I won't be able to represent Samoa at the 2019 Rugby World Cup in South Africa.
It's in Japan.
Huh?
It's in Japan.
Anyway, but I will be up in Auckland at Eden Park on the 31st of August, and we've got our Samoan team there, the Manu Samoa, I Kaletahi from Tonga. We've got the Flying Fijians, and we've got the Heartland 15, which are going to be playing for the Pacific Challenge Series 2019. You don't want to miss out because it's a massive experience. We've got our Pacific food stores there, everything all gluten-free, fat-free, and we also got our cultural items from our local colleges that didn't perform at Poly Festival, and we've got some amazing entertainment as well. But come and support our Pacific teams as they make their road to Japan at Eden Park, 31st of August. Get your tickets at ticketmaster.co.nz. Yeah!